So I spent 20 years in the dealership corporate environment.
Yeah.
And when I was 46 years old, 45 years old, I realized I had at least another 20 years in that environment before I could retire. And I got tired of that corporate numbers only, ripping people off, bleeding that radish dry. And I thought, you know what, I could start my own business and make a difference.
Yeah.
And so I went out and I did it as a mechanic, not a business owner, not a shop owner. And I struggled through my first year, and I did okay, but not, I was just barely skimming by. And then I went to the Fly with the Eagles course online during COVID.
Right.
And the reason I went to that course in the first place was because everything that I saw about Elite, never put money in front of people, ahead of people. And that was me. That's who I am.
Yeah.
So I thought, and then I started seeing all these little shop tips pop up in my emails, and everything was about helping people. And I'm like, that's me. That's what I want to do. So I started looking into, let's look at these guys. So I went to the Fly with the Eagles course, and a lot of it I didn't understand because, again, I was a mechanic, not a shop owner. And a lot of it, some of it, the numbers, some of the terminology did not make sense to me.
Sure.
But I went in full head of steam. We're going to make these changes. The stuff I understood, okay, we're going to change this. And I saw improvements. So I'm like, I want more of that. So then we went to another event by Elite. And
Yeah, Invitational. Yeah,
that's
where you and I hung out.
Invitational.
Yeah.
And you told me, get a coach. So then I talked to a bunch of other business owners, and I was like, so have you done the coaches thing? And as soon as I brought it up, they're like, good. Do it now. Just don't do it now.
It's one of the best things you can
do it now. Do it now. I'm like, okay, geez, So I thought I was doing pretty good at that point because I was proud of myself. My first January 1st to December 31st, I did a little over $300,000 in sales.
Yeah.
Like, not bad.
Especially for a technician that started his own shop.
Right.
It's
so
awesome.
in May, I go to the Elite Invitational. I get a coach. June, we figure out which coach is going to fit me best. I start coaching. Can I show this?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah.
This is where I started coaching in June. And this was the rest of the year. Immediate results. Immediate results. And the thing is, we did that without ever ripping anybody off.
Yeah, no way.
That's the biggest thing to me is that my business plan is honesty and integrity. It's built into our mission statement, and we live it every day. And anybody who can't live that in my business will not be part of my business.
Awesome.